Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video on Spec-Driven Development STD presented by your mentor Vivek. Now let's continue our PHP refresher. A student fills out the WorkshopHub booking form and hits submit. Now what? The server catches those values, holds them and checks them against the rules. Today, PHP variables, the boxes that hold form data, and validation rules that come straight from the user story. Let's start with variables. Boxes for form data. Okay. A variable is a box in memory. In PHP, every box starts with a $sign. Student name holds text, so it goes into quotes, double or single. And every statement ends with a semicolon. $seats is a number, no quotes. $paid is a boolean, true or false. Strings, integers, floats, booleans, ready for whatever the form sends. Next up, let's do the concatenation. Dot not plus. Okay, let's do it. Okay, now let's build the confirmation message by joining strings, and that's concatenation. Careful, PHP concatenates with a dot, not a plus. JavaScript and Java folks trips on this constantly. Text dot variable dot more text wrapped in an h1. By the way, right now I am a Java practitioner as well, so yeah, that's something I do at work. But anyway, we are studying PHP, so let's stick to PHP. Okay. Even smoother, inside double quotes, PHP swaps variables in automatically. Single quotes won't do that, only double. Now let's read about reassign and append, okay? Cool. Variables aren't fixed. Store the message in confirmation, $confirmation, and you can echo it 50 times. Reassign it, and every echo after the point shows the new value. The old content is gone. But dot equals is the validation hero. It appends instead of replacing. Start with an empty $errors string and tack on each problem as you find it. Let's study some validation rules from the story, okay? Okay, here we go. Which problems? Read the user story. The rules are sitting right there. Name required. No name, no booking. Phone cleaned. Strip spaces and dashes before saving. Class selected. It must be one we actually offer. Capacity checked. Never book seat 13 in a 12-seat studio. Server validation mirrors the story line by line. So variables hold what the form sends. Concatenation builds the response, and the user story writes your validation rules for you. Up next, PHP and database queries, reading URL parameters and pulling real class data safely. So see you in the next unit. Until then, goodbye and take good care of yourself. Peace out.